I'm being upstaged by a robot. Bruno, we've seen this robot all week. I'm sure everyone is curious about who he is. Can you tell us about him?
Yeah, thank you very much. First of all, hello everyone. Ohio gozaimasu, ni hao to all of our colleagues. I wanted to tell you how boosting is all the emotions you are giving us about the robot, the emotions you have about our product. It's really boosting. Our robot is an interactive robot. It's a robot whose goal is to interact with people. Well, it's a platform. It's a platform that you can program, you can use to explore what this new world of robotics is going to bring to us. That's why we are selling it to research labs, universities, education. More than close to 500 research labs are using our robot around the world and in 38 countries.
Wow, that's amazing. Bruno, how did you get started in robotics?
Well, it's a story that started a long, long time ago. I was very young, I was 12. I was very bad at school. And one day, wandering somewhere, I got a scientific fiction in a station. And I discovered through this book technology, I discovered electronics, I discovered gadgets, I discovered the future and robots. And I told myself, wow, this is what I want to do. You know, it was a long, long time ago. It helped me coming back in the scholar system, and after that, doing correct computer sciences studies. And it was here early 80s when I discovered the revolution of the PC, microcomputers, as we said at that time. You know, these kind of things, very, very expensive, early 80s, totally useless, no word, no spreadsheet, no internet, nothing. We had to convince our girlfriend that we wanted to invest all our money inside these kind of computers. Yeah, but hundreds of thousands of people did the same, and thanks to them, someone discovered the spreadsheet, another one discovered how to use the computer for the heat system of his house. They made the revolution of the PC. And the same pattern are coming now. So I told myself one day I wanted to do the same with the robot, being part of this revolution of the move.
Wow, this is great. You know, the robot looks so great now sitting here in front of all of us at SolidWorks World. But in the beginning, I bet there was a lot of design challenges.
Yeah, it was difficult because we were all engineers. I began with a small team of engineers. And the main question we wanted to have is mechanics. But the problem is robot is all about cuteness. We asked to people, what do you want a robot to be, to do? And all what they say is, I want to interact with. I want a robot that helps me. The robot has to be an interactive robot and has to be a robot that will help people. So if you don't want old ladies that will use robots to be scared, closed in her room with a robot in the corridor, you need to have a very nice and cute robot. So we began to work with design schools because we have no money at all, and well, they help us having this kind of design.
You know, students work for a really good price, especially on a cool project like this. So how did you learn about SolidWorks?
I founded the company in 2005. Before that, I just developed mechanics, mechatronics as a hobbyist. So I have not been exposed to different software. So I didn't know anything about SolidWorks nor your competitors. I just began using another product from one of your competitors, a good product by the way. But the problem is I was permanently hiring new engineers. And all of I was in France, based in Paris, and all of them already know about SolidWorks. And I had to retrain them toward the other product. So I decided to stop and move migrate to SolidWorks. So that's the main reason.